So guys, yes, right now I'm buying Lupin in the market level now around 856. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So plan to keep the target up to 4 or 5 points as the stock price is within 1000 rupees. So my target will be somewhere around 4 and 5 points. So let's see how the market will perform today and how the stock will perform. So as of now the market has opened in a bearish way, and also it's now minus 0.45% down, so almost 85 points down in Nifty 50. But this stocks looks bullish according to my strategy and the study, so that's why I'm in a buy side now. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So this stock has a potential to touch almost 864 or 865 for the day. So let's see how the stock will perform. So it might take time to reach the full highest level, that is 865 or 864, but I'm going to take the target up to 4 or 5 points and follow my discipline and take the exit. Okay, so as of now the stock is still trading around 855. So let's see at what time the target will get achieved. So it can take some time because the market is in a opposite side and we are trading in a buy side, so it can take few minutes. So anyways, let's wait and see how the stock will perform today. Okay, and also guys, if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the daily live market guidance as well. The same trade what I'm taking, you will be getting the same updates as well. Okay, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's a amount what you spend for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. Okay, and also you can go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and by getting in touch with me by personally. Okay, and also every day you will be getting a live market guidance, and it's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support. So guys, yes, as of now the stock is trading around 856 and 857 levels, and the high made as of now is 857.50. So let's see when that high will give a breakout and we can expect some of the fast movement to happen from there is what my view is. So yes, 859 almost now, so we are getting a movement higher. So 859.90 is a new high what it has made. So almost 4 points has been achieved here guys. If you guys can see, we're closer to the 860 and 861 levels. So anyways, we'll just wait for it to touch 860 again. It has not yet touched 860. 859.90 is a new high what it has made. So once it crosses 860, I'll just take my exit. So yes, 860 has been touched here guys, so I'll just take my exit now and I'll update you. So 860, let's see if it can break 860 and go up. 860.65 is a new high. Yes, as you guys can see, the stock made a high of 860.65, so almost 5 points up it went up. So I took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of Lupin. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.